Hey fellow YouTubers, how's it going? It's me, Mark, and I'm back with an update with that Mountain Goat Jeep. Thought I'd show it to you real quick. And this is where I stand on it right now. I've got the chassis mostly assembled. You see I painted the letters on the tires there. And the shocks, you can see I painted yellow. The instructions actually said to paint them black, but I thought they'd look better yellow. And there's the motor. I've got it pretty much done. Turned out pretty nice. And yeah, I was going to ask you guys what you thought about the body here. It's already molded in a metal flake blue. And I was wondering if you guys think I ought to go ahead and paint it anyway. I've still got some blue left over from that Nova model that I built a while back. I believe you can see the sparkle in it there. You think it'll look better painted? And let's see. Oh yeah, and an update about that Mustang. I got some of that stuff that Brian told me about, that Zep degreaser, and I put the body in it and let it soak for a whole day, and it softened up the paint well enough to where it mostly came off. I basically just had to peel it off, but you can see it didn't quite get it all. And I was going to ask you guys, I imagine sanding would be the next step, and what grit paper should I use, you think? If you got any tips on that, I'd appreciate it. It's just that I've never had to sand anything before. All my paint jobs have always turned out pretty nice, up until now. So if you guys have got some recommendations on that, I'd appreciate it. And let's see. Set these off to the side here real quick. There was one more thing I wanted to show you guys. And that was this. Get a load of that. I was at the grocery store the other night and saw that on the magazine rack. And I thought about those Edsel's that you guys have been getting at Hobby Lobby, and thought I'd show you this. Check out that paint job on that. Look how glossy. Flip it over here real quick and give you a shot of the pictures inside. It's hard to do anything one-handed here. It's got let's see, what was it? A 5-liter Coyote engine in it with 700 horsepower, I think it said. Yeah. Get some shots up here. There's the dash. Couple shots of the motor. the interior, the motor there. Yeah, it'd be cool if that model at Hobby Lobby had the optional parts in it to where you could build this version, wouldn't it? So anyway, I guess that's it for now. Yeah, get back to me about that Mustang body, about how to go about sanding it. I'd appreciate it. And, well, I guess that's it for now, and we'll see you next time.